across the room. Man, I need a different song. Let's do Big Green Tractor. Take you for a ride on a big green tractor. Okay, me and you are both doing this. Okay, wait. Okay, Big Green Tractor by me and Brittany. But don't fall first. She had a shabby little ring with the rack top down, sitting in the drive cause she couldn't get out. Dogs are barking. Liza said y'all get in. She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. What you wanna do, baby, I don't care. We can go to the show or we can stay right here. Take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow or make it go faster. Down through the woods and out through the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb a bit of land and drive if you want to. You know you got me to hold on to. One time. Oh baby, if you have her, we take you home. Your dad's calling you.